There's a lot we can learn about teamwork from a rather surprising source. When geese migrate, they form a V shape. Whilst it looks pretty, it also has some important functions in terms of working as a group. When flying in a V formation, each member of the team creates an uplift for the team member behind. This team effort makes the flight of the whole group more efficient. If a goose breaks free from the V shape, it will immediately have to make more effort to keep up. So working in a team towards the same destination means less effort needs to be made as an individual. And the same goose doesn't always lead the V shape. Leadership rotates, so that the burden of flying in front is shared. Again, this makes the whole flock more efficient. The geese flying behind encourage the front geese to keep up their speed by honking. This communication affects the whole team, and their positive feedback makes the whole team more successful. Lastly, if a goose gets sick and falls out of formation, two others will stay with it until it is well enough to join another flock. The team cares for one another, as a loss to the flock is a loss for all of them. So, to recap, working as a team is more efficient than working alone. Leadership can be shared for greater efficiency and to spread the burden. Communication with the whole team is important. Giving encouraging feedback promotes success, and having empathy for team members is always better than taking a selfish approach.
The geese flying in a V formation in the sky is such a fascinating sight to watch. And what an example of teamwork, shared goals and shared leadership. Not just the geese, but there's so much we learn from nature all around us. And we see teamwork, and the result is order, balance and harmony. Be it the galaxies, the stellar systems or our solar system, or the atoms, molecules, elements and compounds forming different materials, or the single cells grouping together to form multicellular organisms, cells in our body forming tissues, tissues forming organs, organs coming together to work as organ systems. All these are such perfect examples of how groups and teamwork forms the core principle in creation. Together we achieve order, harmony and balance in every aspect of life.
This video clip of the geese flying in a V shape is something that is seen by many professionals across the world. One really wonders from where these geese get to know the strategies for professional growth. Nobody teaches them. But then there is something inborn. There is something inborn in all of us, in all living beings on this earth. And these birds know all these things. The leader, you will find in that V shape, whichever bird is in the front is the leader, and all those behind, they buck the leader up. They keep saying quack, quack, not just shouting. When they shout, what happens? You get that energy. The leader gets the energy. And then when these geese, when they are flying, the wings, they give that buoyancy. They say, I'm not very sure, but 38 or 60% maybe, the amount of effort is reduced by 30 to 60%, whichever is right, you may refer somewhere. So therefore, that is one as a leader, and as a team what happens is they keep pushing. And also when this leader gets tired, this fellow gets back here and there is somebody else who takes the leader's position. So it's not that just one person is put into so much of responsible position, everybody shoulders the responsibility equally. And that is how they travel, they fly miles and miles across continents, and they are successful in life.